event in this place.
The Rift Valley region dominated in athletics as the Brookside National Term 1 School Games entered its third day. The games are now entering their business end and have attracted a significant number of fans due to their competitiveness.
Speed and endurance highlighted day 3 of the Brookside National Term 1 School Games as Cornelius Kipkos Gay of Kimoton School from the Rift Valley region stormed to victory in the 10 kilometers boys race in 31 minutes 29 seconds .78, followed by Festus Kimuro and Calvin Muthi from the Rift Valley in Central region, who came in the second and third positions respectively.
Kwa upande wangu weta iko mbaya vile iluka sana. Game imekuwa fair.
Hiyo race ilikuwa sawa, lakini jana ilikuwa race cross, so sikuwa na kick ya finishing, so nikaamua jamaa chukue.
In the 1,500 meters race for girls, Mary Nyabuke dominated proceedings. All Saints and Butler boys from Group A secured spots in the semi-finals of the 15-a-side rugby, joining Lenana School and Kitondo from Group B. In hockey, defending champions Musingu will face Nairobi School, while 8-time champions St. Anthony boys Kitale advanced to the semi-finals, where they will clash with St. Charles Luanga in the boys' side. Davis Mberia, KTN Sports.
Junior Golf Foundation has received a financial boost after announcing a partnership